Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to paste text without formatting in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and look for WordPress.com and simply log into your WordPress account. And as you can see, I have logged into my WordPress account and we're just going to go to my home page over here. Click on my home and it will take you to your home page. After that, as you can see, my home page has been loaded and this is actually my home page. And here you can see the quick links option and below it is the edit site option over here. Just simply click on the edit site option and it will take you directly to the editor's page of WordPress. As you can see, it might take a while, but it will load. After your editor's page has been loaded, you can see here we can see on the left hand side a plus icon that says block inserter. Click on the block inserter over here and here is the paragraph option. Click on the paragraph option and as you can see a paragraph option has been loaded here. Now you're going to simply go to where you want to copy your text. As you can see, just I'm going to copy this one. Just simply select the text and use Control C. Your text will be copied and just go to the paragraph option over here and click on Control V. And as you can see over here, my paragraph has been simply pasted without any formatting. After you are done adding your text or pasting your text to your desired location, just simply click on save and save all of your changes. That's how you paste text without formatting in WordPress. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.